let's look at ratios of complementary angles. Okay? Ratio of complementary angle. As you can see in this place, the sum of angles of a triangle is what? Is 180. Here is already 90 degrees. If you remove 90 degrees, it remains 90. So these two guys will share the 90. We say two of them are complementary. What is the meaning of complementary angles? Complementary angles is angles where you add them together, you have 90 degrees. So this plus this will give us 90. It means theta plus this is equal to 90 degrees. You remember we have done this. I just want to throw more light on it because it's very important. So it means therefore you can say alpha is 90 degrees minus theta, or theta is equal to 90 degrees minus alpha. Either ways, you are okay. So with what we have seen already, it means therefore, if you say sine theta is simply equal to cos 90 minus theta. We have seen this in some of the previous videos, okay? Also, cos theta is equal to sine this minus this. Why tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So you can see, okay? So as you can see now is that whenever you are given sine theta, you can use cos for the same thing. That is cos 90 minus the angle given. For instance, you are given something like this. Say sine 60 cos 40 tan 70. You can use this one direct, or you simply do cos 90 minus 60 is what? 30. This is what? Cosine. You use sine for it. 90 minus 40 is 50. Why this is 70? You can use cot for it. 90 minus this will give us what? 20. So you can use this one to get the same answer that this one will give to you. So these are called what? Complementary angles. Please put it at the back of your mind. We are going to make use of this later in this course, okay?